Good evening, everyone. Uh, Hello once again. This is Sudhendra Harikrishnan, and welcome to the channel. I am very thankful to each one of you for subscribing to this channel. Uh, and today I would like to provide you an update on the various instruments that are available for investment. But before we get into that, just like to brief you about a very small topic that is called as active and passive income. So active income is a money that is earned through a business or a job and requires time invested. What it means is that you travel to work, you do your work in office, and at the end of the month you get a salary for this. So that is the money that you have earned by putting in your time. In a similar way, you go for a business, you have a product, you try to sell the product, and you meet clients, you invest a lot of time. So this both active income requires your active participation and time that is required. Passive income, it basically comes from the assets that produce income, which don't require any additional time, work, or effort. That means your money is working for you even when you're sleeping. So examples of this are the deposits, bonds. You buy a piece of real estate, you start getting rent out of it. You invest in mutual funds, the money grows. You invest in equities, the money grows. So this is about the passive income. The objective should be to move from an active income towards a passive income. So now what we do is that we look into the various instruments that are available which generate the passive income, and we try to come to a conclusion of this. So basically, most of the middle class people have a fascination, especially the senior citizens, they have a very good fascination for fixed deposits. So how does a fixed deposit work? A fixed deposit works that you invest. So in this hypothetical case, I have taken 1 lakh rupees as the initial amount invested. And at 8% interest on a yearly basis, and the tenure I have selected for 10 years. So what it means is that if you invest 1 lakh rupees in a fixed deposit today, at the end of 10 years, your amount would be 2,21,964. That means approximately your money is growing. It's doubling in 10 years. Doubling, I mean, a little more than double in 10 years. Similarly, where most of the middle class and the young public put in their money is in a mutual fund. Mutual funds approximately give you around 12 to 15%. I have taken 12% here. If you want to calculate the return of your mutual fund, you can just put in the number here. I have selected 12 here. I have kept the total investment and the tenure same. So your 1 lakh rupees gets converted to 3 lakh 10,000 rupees if you invest in a mutual fund which gives you 20% return. So in the similar way, if your mutual fund is giving less, more, you can just get it in the Google search as a mutual fund calculator, and you get a chart. You just have to put in the amount, and you'll get an idea about what would be the amount. The other asset where most of the people uh, like to invest their money is, especially the Indian public, is in gold. So if you see, this is the price chart of gold. I put a timelines here. So around 10 years back, on a similar time, the price of gold was approximately 30,000, and today it is approximately 60,000. What does that mean? The amount of gold has doubled in 10 years of time. I have even put a timeline of 2004. So in 2004, the price was 6,000, and in 2023, we are at 60,000. That means the price has gone up 10 times in uh, 20 years. But if you see this time period, from 2013 to 2015, the price of gold was more or less sideways direction. So for all calculation purpose, we assume that the amount of gold gets doubled in 10 years time. One of the other no-brainers for everybody, most of the people who invest their money is into real estate. And real estate asset, there is no data available, but whatever data is available has been picked up from this website. It says that it is a report by CRISIL. CRISIL says that CRISIL is one of the best institutes for defining the credit ratings. And they say that it has increased in the last 20 years, it has just increased by 6%. percent over there. Of course, it varies. It has a lot of variables because it depends on per city to city. But yeah, the top cities for investment in real estate were Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Pune, Kolkata, etc. And as per their report, they also say that between 10 years, this is an which was taken up by Beyond News. The last years from 2013 to 23, the real estate has marginally increased. And there's hardly any increase in Mumbai. However, there are certain cities like Hyderabad, which has got 98% appreciation, almost doubling the price. So the best city, and these are the data for the other cities. So the best city which witnessed an impressive 98%, that means for the last 10 years, the amount has doubled. So we have seen that more or less fixed deposit gets you double the amount, slightly more than double the amount in 10 years. A mutual fund will fetch you maybe thrice the amount in uh, 10 years time. Gold has not appreciated much, doubling in 10 years. And real estate also, one of the best cities, doubling. In most of the cities, it is not even that. Now we compare this with Nifty. Nifty is an index. It is a group of 50 stocks. And if you see their comparative prices, that the price or the value of Nifty in December 2013 was around 6,400. And today in 2023, the price is approximately 19,000. That means Nifty has gone up 3 times in the last 10 years. But as I said, Nifty is a group of stocks. It consists of 50 stocks. So some might just move on, would be better than Nifty, and some would be sideways, and some would be bottoming out. But if you pick up the best, the returns would be much more than Nifty. Just to show that, this is a Rockstar. The Rockstar was in 2013, the price of this Rockstar was around 550 rupees. And today the price is approximately 3,000 rupees. That means this amount has gone up 6 times uh, in the last 10 years. So, what do we conclude? We can conclude that number one, the stocks are the best instrument for returns to generate a passive income. But there is one catch in it. The catch is that you should know which stock to buy. So, with this, I would like to end my session. This was just a brief comparison. You can do your own research, get into the calculators and just do a research on that. So I hope you like this video. I would request you to subscribe and like the video once again. Thank you. And I hope this information is useful. Thank you.